Hello everyone, and welcome to our new grammar lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use both and neither nor for talking about two people or two things. When we talk about two people or two things, we have two special grammatical tools. The first one is both and. We use both and when the answer is yes for the two people or things. For example, Sarah likes apples, and Layla likes apples. We can combine these two ideas and say, both Sarah and Layla like apples. Both means the two together. Now, what if the answer is no for both people? For example, Ali doesn't play football, and Omar doesn't play football. We can say, neither Ali nor Omar plays football. So remember this simple idea. Both and means yes to the two. Neither nor means no to the two. Let's look at each structure more carefully. Both, 100% yes. We use both and to talk about two people or two things that have the same positive situation. Think of it as person 1 plus person 2 equals both. For example, both Sarah and Layla like apples. This sentence tells us that Sarah likes apples and Layla likes apples. The purpose of both and is to show similarity. Here is another example. Both Ali and Dan play football. This means Ali plays football, and Dan also plays football. Notice the important point. We are talking about two people, but we use a plural verb. We say, both Ali and Dan play football, not, both Ali and Dan plays football. Why? Because both and refers to two people or things together, so the subject is plural. Here is another example. Both my sister and my brother are teachers. Two people, my sister and my brother. Plural verb, are. So the main idea is both and means the two together, and it normally takes a plural verb. The building blocks of both. Now let's look at the following sentence more carefully. Both Sarah and Layla like. The basic structure is both plus person or thing plus and plus person or thing plus plural verb. For example, both Ali and Omar play football. Both Huda and Mona enjoy reading. Both my father and my mother work in a hospital. There is one very important rule here. Both and always takes a plural verb. Look at this example. Both Sarah and Layla like apples. The verb is like, not likes. Why? Because Sarah and Layla are two people. So we can think of the structure like this. Both Sarah and Layla equals they. And we say, they like apples, not, they likes apples. So whenever you see both and, remember, two people or things, plural subject, plural verb. Neither, 100% no. Now let's move to the second structure. Neither nor gives us a negative meaning. We use neither nor when two people or two things are both negative. For example, neither Ahmed nor Dan plays football. This means Ahmed does not play football. Dan does not play football. So neither means not this one and not that one. Here is another example. Neither Sarah nor Layla likes coffee. Sarah doesn't like coffee. Layla doesn't like coffee. So neither person likes coffee. Notice that neither nor is already negative. Because of this, we normally do not add another negative word. For example, we do not say, neither Sarah nor Layla don't like coffee. That is incorrect. Instead, say, neither Sarah nor Layla likes coffee. So remember, both and equals positive meaning for the two. Neither nor equals negative meaning for the two. The building blocks of neither. Now we come to one of the most important rules in this lesson. Look at the sentence. Neither Ali nor his brother is coming. Which verb do we use? We use is. Why? With neither nor, the verb usually agrees with the subject closest to it. In this sentence, the subjects are Ali and his brother. The closest subject to the verb is his brother, and his brother is singular. So we use is coming. Let's look at another example. Neither the teacher nor the students are ready. The closest subject is the students. Students is plural, so we use are. Now let's change the order. Neither the students nor the teacher is ready. Now the closest subject is the teacher. Teacher is singular, so we use is. This is an important difference between the two structures. With both and, we use a plural verb. With neither nor, the verb normally agrees with the closest subject. Watch the magnet work. Think of the verb as being attracted to the closest subject, like a magnet. Look at the first sentence. Neither Ali nor his brothers are coming. The closest subject to the verb is his brothers. Brothers is plural, so we use are coming. Now look at the second sentence. Neither his brothers nor his brother is coming. The closest subject is his brother. Brother is singular, so we use is coming. Let's try two more examples. Neither the students nor the teacher is absent. The closest subject is the teacher, so we use is. Now, neither the teacher nor the students are absent. The closest subject is the students, so we use are. This is why word order is important with neither nor. When you are choosing the verb, look at the subject immediately before the verb. The grammar cheat sheet. Let's stop here and make the two structures easy to remember. First, both and. It has a positive meaning. We use it to show that two people or things share the same situation. For example, both Sarah and Ali are students. And remember the verb rule. Both and takes a plural verb. For example, both Sarah and Ali are students. Not, both Sarah and Ali is students. Now let's look at neither nor. It has a negative meaning. We use it when two people or things do not have the same situation. For example, neither Sarah nor Ali is a teacher. And here is the important verb rule. With neither nor, the verb normally matches the closest subject. For example, neither Sarah nor the boys are ready. The closest subject is the boys, so we use are. But neither the boys nor Sarah is ready. Now the closest subject is Sarah, so we use is. Practice A. Choose the correct verb. Now it's time to practice. Look at the first sentence. Both Ahmed and Jassim. Football. We have two choices. Play or plays. Remember the rule for both. And Ahmed and Jassim are two people. Now let's look at sentence number 2. Neither Ahmed nor Jassim. Tennis. The choices are play or plays. This time, we have neither nor. Ahmed and Jassim are both singular nouns, and the closest subject is Jassim. Practice A. The answers. Let's check our answers. Number 1. Both Ahmed and Jassim play football. The answer is play. Why? Because both and takes a plural verb. Think of Ahmed and Jassim as they. We say they play football, not they plays football. Now number 2. Neither Ahmed nor Jassim plays tennis. The answer is plays. Why? Because with neither nor, we look at the closest subject. The closest subject is Jassim. Jassim is one person, so we use the singular verb plays. A useful way to check your answer is to look at the subject immediately before the verb. If it is singular, use a singular verb. If it is plural, use a plural verb. Practice B. Make a match. Now let's move to a different type of practice. We have sentence beginnings on the left and sentence endings on the right. Our job is to match them correctly. Let's read the sentences together. Both Ali and Omar is open on Friday. Neither cats nor dogs like wearing pink dresses. Both Hanan and Alia can speak. Neither the library nor the school canteen enjoy reading comic books. Read the sentence beginnings, think about the correct sentence endings and make a match. Take your time. You can pause the video to answer. Practice B. The answers. Let's review the answers. Number 1. Both Ali and Omar enjoy reading comic books. We use both and because the two people share the same positive situation. Number 2. Neither cats nor dogs can speak. We use neither nor because the statement is negative for both groups. Number 3. Both Hanan and Alia like wearing pink dresses. Again, both and shows that the two people share the same positive situation. And number 4, neither the library nor the school canteen is open on Friday. Here we use neither nor because neither place is open. Also notice the verb is open. Why is? Because the closest subject is the school canteen, which is singular. So always remember to check the subject close to the verb when you use neither nor. Your turn. Write your own sentences. Now it's your turn. Think about you and your partner, or you and a friend. Use the pictures on the slide to help you make your own sentences. You can talk about pizza, swimming, English classes, or musical instruments. For example, both my partner and I like pizza. Here is another example. Both my friend and I enjoy swimming. Now let's make a negative sentence. Neither my friend nor I like swimming. This means my friend doesn't like swimming, and I don't like swimming. You can also make sentences about your studies. For example, both my friend and I enjoy English classes. Or, neither my friend nor I play musical instruments. Try to make at least 2 sentences. One sentence should use both and the other should use neither nor. And remember to check your verb carefully. Thank you for watching, and I hope this lesson has made the grammar clear and easy to use.